Hello, I'm Edward and welcome to windowsreport.com. Sometimes it happens that VirtualBox is not detecting USB in Windows 10, and even though it's not a big issue, it can be frustrating to deal with. There are various cases why this happens, such as not having the latest version of VirtualBox, or simply not having the necessary components to assist the program. But rest assured, this video will show you a few fixes that will solve this problem in no time. For a more detailed explanation and even more solutions, please check the article in the description below. The first solution could be installing the latest VirtualBox. Just visit the VirtualBox website. I also posted it as a link in the description below. Go to the download section and click on Windows Hosts. Then download the new version and run the setup file. You can also try installing the extension pack. Click File and go to Preferences, and here click on the Extension tab and then click the plus button. Next, navigate to the place where you saved the extension pack, select the extension pack and click Open, follow the instructions and allow the installation to complete. After doing that, check if VirtualBox not detecting USB issue is still there. And lastly, you can also try activating the USB support. Open VirtualBox and right-click on the virtual machine that needs USB access. Next, click on Settings. Locate USB in the VM window and click on it. The USB should appear as available. Click on the plus button located under the USB device filter to add a new device. And that's all you have to do. When you start the virtual machine, it should now have access to the USB. For more information and details, please check the article in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.